All right, y'all, we got a quick video for you today. If you have a faucet like this Moen here with low pressure, that's full water pressure for us right now. And I know there's nothing wrong with the water pressure in my house. So I'm gonna show you how to fix it. It's probably clogged right here is your problem. So most of these faucets have a way to unscrew this. You can see there's 4 grooves in this. This faucet probably came with a key that I threw out when I installed it. But you can just take a flat edge of any kind here and unscrew it. You can see it unscrews just like that once you get it started. I'll do it by hand. You'll see here when we get it out. Yep, sure enough, you can see that the filter is pretty clogged there. So all we're gonna do is rinse this filter off and put it back together. So there we go, we got it nice and clean now. Put the pieces back on just how they came, this little filter screen. I'll just hand screw it on to begin with. And we'll tighten it with our flat edge here. Give it a try. Boom, full pressure. All right, I hope that helps some of y'all out there.